Hey guys, it's Yvette and I have my cotton cuts box. So I'm really excited to get this open, see if I can figure out what the fabrics are inside, what collections they belong to, and choose a quilt pattern I want to have too. So let's get this baby open. We're back to a purple tissue paper. Okay, so our little inspirational card says, everything you do now is for your future. And oh my goodness, Kim put my box together. Should I be nervous? I don't know. No, I don't think so. Okay, so, oh my goodness. Okay, honestly, like I'm thinking that this time, should I even jinx myself? I'm thinking I'm gonna get them all right. So I have some batiks inside. The batiks this month are Confection Batiks by Kate Spain for Moda Fabrics. I have some florals inside, and the florals are Poppy and Posy by Dodie Lee Polson for Riley Blake Designs. I have some holiday seasonal. Now this one I have not seen. I will be honest, I have not seen this one. It is called Portofino by Michael Miller Fabrics. I have some juvenile and children's, and that collection, gosh, I haven't seen this one either. Okay, so maybe I spoke too soon. Is Paisley Rose, and I hope I'm saying that right. I'm taking, it's spelled like Paisley, except it has a K, so I'm going Paisley. Paisley Rose by Poppy Cotton. And the blenders are Favorite Things by Sassafras Lane for Wyndham Fabrics, which I also haven't seen. So I think I spoke a little too soon. Okay, our designer spotlight for this month is Amber Johnson, and there she is. There's Amber. Am I too close? Is it going in and out, in and out? No, I don't think so. Okay, it says, I hope I can see this well enough to read it. Amber resides in Alpine, Utah with her husband, 2 teenagers, and a sweet black lab dog named Molly. Amber was born in Southern California and grew up in Vancouver, Washington. She's been living in Utah since 1997 and enjoys the mountains and 4 seasons there. Sounds good to me. Amber started quilting in 1998 when she was newly married and looking for a hobby. She asked her Gigi, I wonder if she calls her grandmother Gigi. That might be what this is. She asked her Gigi Delma, an avid award-winning quilter. I'm just having trouble reading because my eyeballs don't work. That's all. If she would teach her how to quilt. Of course, Delma was thrilled to have someone in the family who actually wanted to learn how to quilt. Amber wanted to replicate a quilt that she saw in a store, and instead of buying a pattern, she designed her own. They made wonderful memories together as Delma taught Amber the basics of quilt making. The greatest lesson she learned was the importance of the 1/4-inch seam allowance. She would get frustrated that her blocks were different sizes, so she would put them away and only work on them once in a while. It took Amber about 3 years to finally finish her first quilt, but after that she was hooked. About 9 years later, Amber started her quilt pattern design company called Gigi's Thimble, established in 2009, named after Delma. Amber has been blogging since then and designed well over 40 patterns, hosted several quilt-alongs on Instagram, and has published a quilting book called Vintage Vibe, Traditional Quilts, Fresh Fabrics. She also has many fun projects coming up this year, so stay tuned. You can find her on Instagram at Gigi's_thimble or on her website, www.gigisthimble.com. Okay, so we have 5 quilt patterns that we can choose from. She has Stash Hash, Lulu, Square Dance, Star Patch, and Sweet Kisses. So let's go through them one at a time. This one is Stash Hash, and I will be putting up bigger pictures, just so it'll fill the camera a little bit better, so you guys can see the quilt. And this one is called Lulu. Try not to get too close, it's not really focusing well. This one is Square Dance. Star Patch up here. And the last one is Sweet Kisses, right here. And let's see. Gosh, I'm liking so many of them. I really like that low volume with the pop of bright colors in Sweet Kisses. I am definitely influenced a lot of times by the colors in quilts. I don't know if you're the same way, but I like that one. Oh my gosh, I like Sweet Kisses, Star Patch, Square Dance, and Stash Hash. And actually, you know, Lulu is not bad. It's just I feel like I could replicate that one on my own. That's really the only reason, because it is a pretty quilt. It's very pretty. I like them all. I really like them. So this one's going to be really tough for me. I probably will choose one for free and then buy a couple or a few. I don't know. Let me know what you guys like. You know, I always like seeing the quilts patterns that y'all like. So let me know. The block of the month. Well, this is it. Here's the block of the month. And there is the color sheet on the back. Don't do this one because it says on here, post your completed coloring sheet by May 31st. So who knows when I received this poor box. I get them and I'm not even gonna say it. You already know. I'm behind. So there's a color sheet. You can color it in just for fun if you want. I mean, why not? It's fun. Who doesn't love to color? I love coloring. So there we go. There was the block of the month for May. And oh, here we go. So our lagniappe this month is an Oh Happy Day fabric panel from Sandy Gervais by Riley Blake Designs, or for Riley Blake Designs. And this one, maybe everyone's getting different ones, but the one I have says you can never have too much happy. And this probably means fabric to me. You can never have too much fabric, ever. Okay, so there's a little panel we got, a little lagniappe, and here is my box of fat quarters, and here it is all in the box together. Okay, so let's pop it open and get this party started, right? Okay, see, there's two of the collections that I know quite well, at least in my head, I think I do. Okay, alrighty, so let me start just kind of putting them in a pile of where I think they go. Oh my goodness, this one's cute. What is that? Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is not gonna be good. Okay. Wait, this looks familiar. Oh, okay, I know what that is. This must go with that one. That one must, oh yeah, okay, so those are at least easy to put together. This looks like it would probably go over here. This one, okay, hold up. I think this might go there. And so that might go with that. This definitely goes over here. Okay, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 piles. Confection Batiks. I know it's these. I'm scooching that over. Floral, Poppy and Posy. I think I have these right. I know that one's right. Okay, I'm gonna scooch that over. Let's just scooch them. I'm gonna get it scooched. Holiday Seasonal, Portofino by Michael Miller. I'm gonna put those over there. Then we've got Juvenile and Children's Paisley Rose by Poppy Cotton. This must be this. And then the Blenders Favorite Things by Sassafras Lane. Okay, some of you guys think that I take way too long putting these things together and you're just sitting there and not being able to see a thing. So I'm trying to go faster. We'll see if this means that I get them wrong more often or if it's better for me to go faster. I don't know. Okay, so the first ones are Batiks. This is the Confection Batiks by Kate Spain from Oda Fabrics, and these are the two that I have selected for that. Now, this collection I was selling in my shop, so I'm pretty sure I got these right. Also because batiks are quite unique. They feel and look different than regular fabrics. If you have ever worked with batiks, you know what I mean. So this is the first one. And this is the second one. And these are really pretty, guys. It's always interesting to me. Like, I never expected Kate Spain to come out with a batik, but these sure are nice. Okay, so those are the two that I put in that pile. The next one is the Florals, which is Poppy and Posy by Dodie Lee Polson for Riley Blake. And these are the ones that I put in that pile. Here is the first one. I think it's so super cute. I'm not a huge red fan, but I really like this. I really do think it's adorable. Okay, so we've got that one. Oops, sorry guys. And then I have this guy, which is a cute little mushroom and flower toss. I think that's super cute. And then we have this one, and I'm like 99.99999% sure this is correct. This definitely looks like it would be Poppy and Posies. Poppies and Posies. Okay. Those are the ones I put in Poppy and Posy. The holiday seasonal is Portofino by Michael Miller Fabrics. These are the three that I put in that pile. I did the little sand buckets. I'm calling them sand buckets. That's a little toss. And then I have this one with, it's like really cute. It's got like this scene from where you would be on vacation, right? With the little boats and the lighthouse and the little town you would be walking through. That's super cute. And then the last one I put in this collection is this guy with the bathing suits and the little flip-flops. I think those are popsicles and not buoys, but who knows. And then we've got little sunglasses everywhere. There's like suntan lotion and shells. And it says summer travel. So those are cute. Okay, so that's what I put in Portofino. The next one is Juvenile and Children's Paisley Rose by Poppy Cotton. This is the only one I put in there because these three go together and that looks like blenders to me. So this is the only one I put in there. Okay, and totally not sure about that, guys. I have no idea, but it's got a bunch of letters on it, and so I kind of figured that would be sort of like children's. I don't know. And so finally we've come to the blenders, which are which is Favorite Things by Sassafras Lane for Wyndham. Wait to see how cute these are. I think they're adorable. Look at these. And you see how it's got the, I'm trying to make sure you can see that, the little kayak. And the kayak, it looks like it's going in circles with the way the water looks. But this is like, I think this is super cute. Okay, and then the second one, and I'm so happy I'm seeing these because I have not seen these. I had no idea how just so cute these are. And those have like little flowers occasionally throughout the blender. And I am just loving that. The colors are so vibrant too. I'm gonna really have to go check this out. And then finally, the last one has like a turntable on it. So it's like this bright, vibrant purple, and it's every once in a while it's got those turntables. I'm gonna go have to check out the whole collection and put it, you know, I always do that for you guys so you can see the entire collection, but I'm interested to see how the rest of it's gonna look. I'm feeling pretty confident, but you know, I try not to be too confident. So I think I did pretty well, and I guess we'll have to see. If this is your first time watching one of these, anything that is coming out of my mouth during this video is a guess, basically, on my part. Just, I guess you could say an educated guess. But if there's something different written down on the bottom of the screen, that is the gospel truth. That is exactly where that fabric came from. And so I could be wrong. Whatever's on the bottom though is correct. So I'm gonna pop these back in here in the order that I had them in. There they are again. And I would love to know what's going on in your box. Are you really happy with it still? I think it's really great how they will totally cater to what you like. So if you're getting something you don't like, you just need to send them an email and let them know. You can make changes anytime, and they are happy to accommodate you. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I love you guys to bits and pieces. Mwah.